Operating a vehicle safely is more than just knowing how to drive. It's about being prepared for any situation and ensuring that you and others stay safe on the road. At OSHA Education School, we've developed the Safe Vehicle Operations course to help you stay safe, no matter where you're driving or what conditions you're facing. In this course, you'll learn pre-operation checks, safe driving techniques, and how to manage adverse road conditions and emergencies. You'll also discover how to properly load and secure vehicles to avoid accidents. Before you even start the engine, a quick pre-operation check is essential. You'll learn how to inspect critical components like tires, brakes, and fluid levels to ensure your vehicle is in good condition and ready for the road. Safe maneuvering is key. In this course, you'll learn how to control your speed, maintain a safe following distance, and navigate tight spaces with ease. You'll also discover how to drive in adverse conditions such as rain, snow, and fog. Knowing when to slow down, adjust your braking, and keep a safe distance from other vehicles can make all the difference. Emergencies can happen at any time, and knowing how to respond can save lives. This course teaches you how to handle emergencies like sudden stops, obstacles, and hazardous situations effectively. By completing this course, you'll improve your driving confidence and enhance your safety skills and learn how to prevent accidents before they happen. Plus, you'll receive a certificate of completion, demonstrating your commitment to safe driving practices. Don't wait for an accident. Click the link in the description to enroll now and start your journey to becoming a confident driver today.